does a cow say?
Mom.
What does a sheep say?
Pa.
What does the snake say? What does the lion say? Elise, I know you're occupied, but Elise, what does a lion say? No, lion. No, lion. Okay, fine. What does the monkey say? Do you see something that you like? Let me see. Show Mama. Let me see. Oh, that's you. You see you? You like looking at yourself? Was that Elise?